Hello and welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop your microphone volume from decreasing automatically on your Windows computer, step by step. If you're tired of dealing with your mic volume constantly adjusting on its own, this guide is just what you need. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, and don't forget to give this video a like if you find it helpful. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start by opening the Start menu and searching for Sound Settings. Once it appears, click on it to open the Sound Settings window. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on More Sound Settings. In the new Sound window, switch to the Recording tab. Locate your microphone in the list. Make sure it's set as the default device by selecting it and clicking the Set Default button. If you notice other microphones listed that you aren't using, it's a good idea to disable them. To do this, right-click on the unused microphones and select Disable. Step 2. Next, right-click on your active microphone and choose Properties. In the Microphone Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Under the section labeled Exclusive Mode, uncheck the box that says Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Once you've done that, click Apply and then OK. Step 3. Finally, while still in the sound settings, switch to the Communications tab. Here, you'll see an option labeled When Windows Detects Communications Activity. Set this option to do nothing and click Apply and OK to save the changes. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to prevent your microphone volume from automatically adjusting on your Windows computer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.